If I'm gonna eat a salad, it needs to have some substance. So today I'm gonna be making your favorite chicken Caesar salad that's not only healthy, it's hearty, and kicked up a notch. For our salad, we need some garden veggies, and I actually grew these myself. So let me go ahead and show you my harvest, and I wanna thank Fiskars for sponsoring this video. Like a lot of you, gardening was something that I got into the past 2 years, and while last year was a total disaster and nothing grew, this year everything changed. I kept it small and manageable, just doing tomatoes, radishes, some herbs, lettuce and carrots. I guess that's not super small, but I started this garden 3 months ago, and with the right soil, compost, and mild temp here by the beach, everything has been really thriving. Like these tomatoes were transplanted from seedlings that I bought at the nursery, and then for the carrots, lettuce, and radishes, I grew these all from seeds. I used my Fiskars seed planting trowel here to measure and correctly space them apart, and they were really easy to grow. And then with some good watering and sunlight, look how they turned out today. So anyways, these are just dying to be harvested, especially these little baby gem romaine lettuces. I'll just be using my Fiskars harvesting knife to cut the lettuce from its base. And then these radishes are also begging to be pulled out, and I have one baby carrot that's ready too. And of course, these cherry sun gold tomatoes are my pride and joy. This is a variety of cherry tomatoes that taste so sweet, like nature's candy. They're just bursting right now too, so we'll be getting a lot of these in the next few months. I'm gonna switch gears though and use my Fiskars vegetable shears to get the whole vine of tomatoes off. I just love how they look when they're off the vine. Yeah, I think we have enough to make a really good salad, but I need to wash them all off real quick. Let's go ahead and make our salad. I'm gonna start with my little gems. For the lettuce, I like to give it some interest, so I chop it on the diagonal, kind of like a really deep diagonal, and then I'll thinly slice our radishes on a mandolin. These are French breakfast radishes, and it's really funny, before I started gardening, I never really appreciated radishes, but now that I've grown them, I try to use them in a lot of my food. They're a little peppery, they're a little spicy, and they provide a nice crunch in our salads. Cut our sun gold tomatoes in half, and then our little baby carrot. He's a little small, but we're gonna use it anyways, and I'm just gonna quarter it. And now for our protein, I'm gonna be using a chicken breast here that I'll just season with some salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and then a nice squeeze of lemon juice all over, and finally a dash of olive oil. Just rub it all in, and then we'll go ahead and place it on a pan to pan roast for about 10 minutes until it's nice and cooked through. I like to cover it up too while it cooks so that it almost like steam roast, which to me keeps the chicken breast from being really sad and dry. So once it's done, we'll just set it aside. Okay, so now we make our dressing. Caesar salad dressing is my favorite, but I never really buy it from the grocery store because I have enough condiments waiting to be used up in the fridge, so we're gonna make our own. I have a jar, and we'll just add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste. I use this in a lot of different things, including an Italian salsa verde that I made in my pasta videos, so go watch that because it also works as a dressing too. 1 clove of garlic that I've finely minced, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to give it that like smoky, it really rounds out our Caesar salad here. Juice from half a lemon, and then 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. A dash of black pepper, put it all in a jar, and then just mix it all up, and then shake, shake, shake. So give your dressing a quick taste and see if there's any adjustments needed. This one's actually really good, so I'm happy with it. I really love food gardening because it's a journey with rewarding results that you can smell, touch, and savor, and it's an experience, one that can be made even more enjoyable with the right tools. With Fiskars' food gardening tool line, you can plant, grow, and harvest with a collection of tools designed to make the process more accurate and enjoyable. Each tool has been designed to provide a tangible benefit to the task at hand, like my Fiskars harvesting knife, where it has a blade on top that cuts right into the lettuce so I don't have to angle it, making it so much easier to use. And welcome to Honeysuckle Cafe, where we have your salad station already laid out for you. All right, so let's go ahead and build our hearty chicken Caesar salad. So of course, I'm gonna start with our lettuce. I like mixing in a little bit of arugula for a hint of pepperiness. For smaller pieces like the radish, I kind of like to put some at the bottom, some on top, so you get a little bit with every bite. Then layer in the tomatoes, our sliced minced chicken breast, a sprinkle of shaved parmesan, some red onions. This is completely optional. And then I always feel like every salad is not complete without some avocados. So we're gonna add some avocado slices to this as well. And then instead of croutons, I found these Parmesan crisp crackers or baby carrot to garnish. The carrot tops are actually edible too. Did you guys know that? We'll drizzle our dressing right on top, mix it all up, and this is our loaded Caesar salad that will actually keep you full. There's nothing like eating the fresh vegetables that you actually grew. It tastes so much better. If you guys like this healthy recipe, check out my healthy pasta recipes for more weeknight inspiration. Thank you to Fiskars for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!